According to us, the most popular and common letter is this. But sometimes we can face a lot of problems about this pronunciation of this letter, that what can be the correct pronunciation of this letter. So hello everyone, this is me Vijayadash and welcome back to my YouTube channel Vijay.net, and as well as welcome to another teaching video. So today in this lesson I will try to make a clarify of this letter, because in some different places of our country and some others country like American, then Canada and Australia, in some other countries we also can identify some differences about this letter. So here we may think that we are in the confusion that what can be the correct pronunciation of this letter. So today in this lesson I will give you a brief and a short correction about it. So you may think and you may see some different places of your schools, college, office that some people pronounce this letter as R, or like R. So this is the American pronunciation. If you follow the American accent, so you should pronounce it like R, like sugar, water. But some people like at the very beginning of this video I pronounce it like This is the British pronunciation. As I follow the British accent, so I will pronounce this letter as like sugar, then water, and some other things. You also can see some differences about this letter on its pronunciation. So if you follow the American accent, so you can pronounce it like R, but if you follow the British accent, so you have to pronounce it like but both are correct. Some people also think, and I also thought at the very beginning of my English learning, that R is correct and R is not correct, or like R is correct or R is not correct. But both are correct, and in our country I also know that we pronounce like R is also correct in American pronunciation, so you can use both of them. If you follow American accent, so you have to follow like R, and if you follow the British accent, so you have to follow like R. But both are correct. You don't need to be worried about it. So I hope I have give you a great correction about it, and you will not pronounce like at the very beginning when you were like as a beginner. Sometimes you can pronounce like R, but there are some differences we have in our Bangladeshi accents. But if you follow British accent, so you follow that one. If you follow the American accent, so you follow that one. So thank you so much for watching me and listening to me, and I hope you've loved this video and you've got the main theme of today's video. So thank you so much for watching me, and thank you so much for letting you know. See you around in the next video. Stay well, stay safe, and stay with Vijay.net. Thank you so much. Bye bye.